Ever wondered how MrBeast made his wealth on YouTube? What's his secret? This enigma has intrigued many, and today we'll delve into this mystery. We'll take a look at the journey of MrBeast, a name that has become synonymous with success on the YouTube platform. From his humble beginnings to his astronomical rise, MrBeast has captured the attention of millions. His videos, filled with extravagant challenges and generous giveaways, have garnered billions of views. But how does he fund these ventures? How did he turn his passion for content creation into a lucrative business? Behind the camera and the on-screen persona, there's a savvy entrepreneur who has mastered the art of monetizing his content. His wealth is not just a result of luck or happenstance, it's a product of strategic planning, business acumen, and understanding the pulse of his audience. Stick around to learn about the journey of MrBeast, the man behind millions of views and dollars. Before we dive in, do you want to understand the economics of the digital world better? At EconGenius, we're all about explaining the money side of the things you love. We delve into the economic aspects of various industries, including the bustling world of YouTube. We decode the financial mysteries behind your favorite channels, the ones you binge watch on lazy Sundays. Just think of us as your friendly neighborhood economics detectives, always on the hunt to uncover the hidden gems of knowledge. We're here to help you understand how your favorite YouTubers are raking in the big bucks. So why not join us on this journey? Our channel is a treasure trove of insightful videos that will surely pique your curiosity. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release a new video. Subscribe to EconGenius now, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Let's decode the economics of YouTube together. Every success story starts somewhere. For MrBeast, it was a small bedroom in his mother's house. Born as Jimmy Donaldson in the year 1998, MrBeast hailed from a humble background in Greenville, North Carolina. Like many of us, he spent his childhood immersed in video games and internet culture. But unlike most, he had a dream that was larger than life: to become a YouTube sensation. At the tender age of 13, MrBeast took his first step into the world of YouTube, uploading videos of him playing video games. His early videos, though unpolished and raw, were filled with a passion that was contagious. He was just a young boy with a dream and a computer, but he had a spark that couldn't be ignored. Despite his enthusiasm, success didn't come easy. His initial years on YouTube were met with lukewarm response. He faced countless challenges, from technical difficulties to the struggle of creating content that would resonate with viewers. But MrBeast was not one to be easily discouraged. He persisted, tirelessly working on his craft, learning from his failures and constantly innovating. He spent countless hours in front of his computer, honing his skills, experimenting with different video formats and studying trends. He would often spend entire nights editing videos, only to wake up the next morning to a handful of views, but he never let this deter him. Instead, it fueled his determination. But as they say, the harder the struggle, the more glorious the triumph. Through sheer grit and relentless perseverance, MrBeast slowly but steadily began to gain traction. His audience started to grow, his videos began to trend, and he started to make a name for himself in the YouTube community. It was a slow and arduous journey, but MrBeast was finally on the path to becoming the YouTube sensation he is today. From a small bedroom to a YouTube empire, MrBeast's journey was anything but easy. But it's a testament to what can be achieved with a dream, a computer, and an indomitable spirit. Scene script. Success doesn't happen overnight, but for MrBeast, one video changed everything. Now let's dive into the game changer. The moment when the scales tipped and the world of YouTube sat up and took notice of MrBeast. It was a video that went beyond the ordinary, beyond the expected. It was a video that showcased his unique approach to content creation and his commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible. You see, MrBeast wasn't just creating content, he was crafting experiences. His videos were more than just visual treats, they were immersive journeys into the unexpected. He wasn't just a YouTuber, he was a storyteller, an entertainer, a digital pioneer. So what was this video that catapulted MrBeast into the limelight? It was a video that combined audacity with authenticity. It was a video that dared to be different, that dared to defy the norms. It was a video that didn't just attract viewers, it captivated them. It was a video that left viewers on the edge of their seats, their eyes glued to the screen, their hearts pounding with anticipation. This was the video that marked the turning point in MrBeast's journey. It was the video that redefined the rules of content creation. It was the video that sparked a revolution in the world of YouTube. MrBeast's unique content strategy was a game changer. It was a strategy that was rooted in creativity and driven by innovation. It was a strategy that threw caution to the wind and celebrated the power of the unexpected. This strategy attracted viewers in droves. It attracted viewers who were tired of the same old, same old. It attracted viewers who were hungry for something new, something different, something exciting. And it worked. Boy, did it work. MrBeast's unique content strategy transformed him from a small YouTuber into a global sensation. It transformed him from a digital dreamer into a YouTube titan. With just one video, MrBeast went from a small YouTuber to an overnight sensation. So if you're dreaming of YouTube stardom, remember the story of MrBeast. Remember that success doesn't happen overnight, but with creativity, audacity, and a little bit of luck, it can happen. So how did MrBeast turn views into dollars? Let's break it down. The first and foremost way is through ads. Every video you watch on MrBeast's channel is likely to be peppered with advertisements. These ads generate revenue for every 1,000 views. This model of monetization, known as AdSense, is a primary source of income for many YouTubers. But MrBeast didn't stop at ads. He understood the power of sponsorships. By integrating product placements seamlessly into his videos, he's able to earn a significant amount from companies willing to pay for such exposure. This isn't just about slapping a logo at the start of a video, it's about creating content that aligns with the brand's values and image, making the sponsorship feel natural and unforced. This way he's not just selling a product, but an experience. And then, there's merchandise. MrBeast has a range of products that his fans can purchase, from hoodies to phone cases. This not only brings in additional revenue but also helps to build and strengthen his brand. Each item sold is a walking advertisement, a signal to others of the buyer's allegiance to the MrBeast community. But what truly sets MrBeast apart is his business strategy. He understood early on that the key to YouTube success wasn't just about creating viral content, but about understanding his audience. That's why he reinvests most of his earnings back into his channel, creating bigger and better stunts that keep his viewers hooked. He's not just a content creator, he's a businessman. His wealth is not just about the number of views or subscribers he has, it's about understanding the platform, mastering the art of monetization, and leveraging his brand. It's about creating value for his viewers, his sponsors, and himself. So, the secret to MrBeast's wealth? It's a blend of creativity, understanding his audience, and smart business strategies. It's about being more than just a YouTuber. It's about being a pioneer, a trendsetter, and above all, an entrepreneur. MrBeast's wealth is not just the result of his popularity but also his business acumen. Enjoying the video so far? There's more where that came from. We're just getting started on our journey to unveil the secrets of the YouTube universe. If you've ever wondered about the magic behind the success stories of YouTube giants like MrBeast, then you're in the right place. We've been breaking down the enigma of MrBeast's wealth. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. There's a whole world of digital economy and online phenomena waiting to be explored. And who better to guide you through it than EconGenius? Our channel is your one-stop shop for all things economy, with a fresh and relatable approach. So why not become a part of our EconGenius community? It's as simple as clicking that subscribe button. And while you're at it, don't forget to activate the bell icon. This will ensure you're always in the loop, never missing out on our latest videos. We've got some exciting content lined up for you, and we don't want you to miss a thing. We're talking in-depth analysis, insider insights, and expert opinions, all served with a dash of wit and a sprinkle of fun. But it's not all about us. We want to hear from you too. Your thoughts, your ideas, your insights, they matter. So don't hesitate to join the conversation in the comments section. Whether it's a question, a suggestion, or just your thoughts on the video, we're all ears. And if you're enjoying our content, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit the like button. It's a small gesture, but it goes a long way in supporting our channel. Plus, it tells us that we're on the right track, providing you with content that you find informative and engaging. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to EconGenius, hit the bell icon, and join the conversation in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more.